Hello students, today we are going to start the new chapter, second chapter. It's the microorganism, friend and foe. Let us start the chapter. Microorganism, this is the first topic of the chapter. Then what are the microorganisms? Microorganisms are tiny microscopic organisms which are so small that we cannot see with the naked eye, we cannot see with the unaided eye, and we can see it under the microscope only. Microorganisms were first discovered by Antony von Leeuwenhoek, and the study of the microbes is called microbiology. Then scientists who study them are called microbiologists. Is it okay? Then see next. Characteristics of the microbe. Now, what are the characteristics of the microbe? Then microbes are too small. They are not, as I told you earlier, they can be seen only through the microscope. Then they are not visible by the unaided eye. Second is they are found everywhere. They may be in the water, air, land, everywhere. Then they may be unicellular and they may be multicellular. Next, the types of the microorganism, or we can say the classification of the microorganism is this. Microorganisms are of four types. They have the four major groups. First is the bacteria, second is the protozoa, third is the fungi, and then algae. Now, one more group is there, which is called virus. Viruses are also microscopic. They can be seen only by the microscope. Normally, they act as a non-living, but when they enters into the body of the living being, they act as a living. They can be stored in a jar also, and if they are outside the body of the living being, then they can survive for a few hours to many days, or in months or years also. It depends on virus to virus, and they are also called the link between the living and non-living. Viruses are always harmful. They cause the diseases such as flu, influenza, polio, chickenpox, smallpox, etc. Then next, types of bacteria on the basis of their shape. On the basis of their structure, on the basis of their shape, bacteria are of mainly three types. The first is called bacillus. Bacillus is rod-shaped bacteria. These are the bacillus bacteria. You can see the picture, bacillus. You can see picture here also. These are called the rod-shaped bacteria or bacillus bacteria. It is written bacilli. And next is coccus. Coccus means spherical. It means those bacteria which are the spherical, they are called the coccus. You can see in the picture also. These are the bacillus, these are the coccus, and third one is the spiral bacteria. These are the spiral shape. You can see spiral shape, and this type of bacteria is called spiral bacteria.